All you got to do is look at the expression on these guys' face, and you know they're having fun. Yo-Yo Iron, Yellowtail, San Quintin, Baja California is a throwing forkies on the deck, and you can look at the bait tank and see the variety of fish they're catching. Bonita and rockfish and yellows down there in beautiful San Quintin, 140 miles south of the border. The Yo-Yo Iron has been the way to go, a small, heavy jig that you sink deep and wind on fast, and you are on. Great fishing for K and M Sportfishing, San Quintin, Baja California. Hopefully that's headed to SoCal soon.